How are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. We are live at the moment. We are live. We are live. How are we all doing today? Before I start this broadcast, I just want to make this announcement. Earlier today, I posted, I made a post where I dropped my email address for people who would like me to help them to cast their votes, and I got a comment from that post, and that comment was like, attacking me for asking for people to drop their information for me to assist them to vote. I think I made this same post last week, or was it earlier this week? Yes, I made it. I made a post, and I got some email from, if I'm not mistaken, 10 people or 9 people. Yes, because one person did not give the complete information. So I got a response from 9 different people. They send their information for me to assist them to cast their vote, which I have done. Even today, 4 of them, I voted for them today. And once I vote, I will send you the receipt and evidence that I've done it back to you in your email. But unfortunately, I received someone comment saying what he or she don't know, saying something that is so embarrassing, but I cannot use because of that one comment and refuse to do what I know that is right. Greeting to you, my brother Emenike Chibo. Thank you so much for coming. You are the first commentator and you are the first to join me in this live. I just started. This live stream is something that is interesting because we have to discuss a lot of things, but I just want to make it clear. Supporting you to or helping you to cast your vote is not easy for me to do because I have to provide email address for that. And for someone who is saying that nobody should send information to anybody, that you have to direct them on how to vote. Let me make this clear to some of us. Not everybody know how to use internet very well. Not everybody. You know how to do it does not mean every other person know how to do it. And you who is asking me to direct people on how to do it, you have every opportunity to establish your own platform, use it and do whatever you want to do. Teach people the way you think that you can, as long as you are doing the right thing, is a welcoming development. But for you to attack me for asking people to drop their information and I will help them to cast the vote or vote for them, is very, very funny. I did not just wake up one day and say, okay, I will start asking people to drop their information for me to help them. No. That was instruction from PM. He said it, and the other cabinet, Biafra government in exile cabinet, they made mention of it, that if you can help someone to vote, is a welcome development, as long as you know how to log in and log out. Not everybody can do this. I keep on saying it. And you who is telling people not to drop their information, you are working for those ones crying at the moment that they don't want anybody to vote. You are one of them pretending to be supportive. That's just it. Good evening to you. Thank you so much, Chibike. Thank you so much. How are you today? You and Emenike are the first commentator here. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming. So if you have not voted, please endeavor to do so. It is very, very important. And we have a breaking news, a happy one for that matter, a very, very happy news, although we still have a long way to go, but a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. So we have to rejoice for having reached more than 2 million people have voted. That's the breaking news this evening from PM. So it is not easy, but we have to celebrate it. It is not easy, and I wish that these people will speed up, and cast your vote. Do the needful, follow the link, go and vote. Don't bewitch yourself. Go and vote. If you know any means, any way you can help people to cast their vote, please endeavor to do so. It is needed at this point in time. That is all we need now. Let's do this and get ourselves out from this mess. Please and please and please. It is very, very important. Do not think that it is meant for somebody for those who in Biafran government in exile. It is not only about them. It is about everybody. It's about the government, it's about the individual, it's about the PM, it's about everybody. Nobody is exempted. But we have to do the little we can to support. 38 minutes ago, PM dropped this message and said over 2 million Biafrans have voted in self-referendum in just a week, okay, of e-voting commencement. And considering the number of voters from Eastern Nigeria in the last general election, it is clear that Biafrans are ready to go. The first stage of the e-voting continues. The first stage of the e-voting continues till May 2024. There are 3 stages. So it is very, very clear we need to follow these steps. You that is watching me now, you that will watch later, please, all we are asking for you, if you have voted, your family members, your cousin, your niece, your uncle, your whatever you can think of, your friends, your classmates, engage them, educate them, and let them know that the voting is very, very necessary. Very, very necessary. Let's not, do our normal Igbo behavior on this. It's not the time to mess around. This is not the time to mess around. Please hit the like button so other people will join us in this live stream. Only people, I believe, only MNK and the Chibike have done this. You that are watching me, you that is watching me at the moment, please hit the like button so that other people will join. Touch the like button, touch it. It doesn't cost you anything. We need it. We need to progress in this live stream because we have a lot to discuss. So I have made myself clear. If you want me to support you, please and please do the needful. I will support you. I have my email address in my community page. If you go to my community, I posted an email where you can send me the information to me to help you to cast your vote. I still have some email left. So once I am done with the one I have, I will announce it as well that I cannot help you anymore, unless if you have your own email and your password ready. And that I am not asking you to give me your email and password. If you want me to use your own email and password, you have to create a new email by yourself, an email which you are not using. Okay, don't give me your email address and password where maybe the account that you normally use to contact other people. Please, I don't need it. Don't send it to me. If you send it to me, I will block it and I will not use it. What some people don't know is that many politicians and elders in different land have voted. Therefore, pick up your phone and vote for your future generation now. God bless you, my dear Diana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have said it all. It is not about anybody. Like I keep on saying, when you watch what is going on in Nigeria, when you see that even the priest and man of God cannot help you, they can't help you on this issue, and you find out that people who are also thinking that Nigeria will work are now making 360, trying to blame each other, knowing fully well that the problem is not about anybody, it is what the system have offered to you. And for you to come out from it, you have to start moving yourself forward. You don't stand in one place and want everybody to come to you. Sometimes you need to take a step, and that step is what we need that moment. First step you need as a Biafran is to vote. Not only you voting, but make sure that others that you know vote. If we can get 2 million, according to PM this evening, that we have reached more than 2 million people that have voted. So that is to show that we still have a long way to go. Within 1 week, 2 million is done. We need to push more and more. So by next week, we will be talking about maybe 8 to 10 million. That is the target, because the agenda is 20 million. That's the target according to PM. So we are not going to mess around with this number. It is it is about you and I. It is about you and I. Thank you so much. I believe the message is clear. I have voted, including all my family. You are darling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, Ngozi. Thank you for that. That is what I want to hear, because we all are in this together. We are all in this together, in the sense that Fulani people don't ask you about your surname when they want to buy you. As long as you are not from them, you are infidel. So we need to hold our hands together and drag each other to move forward. This is not the time to cast blame on anybody. If we fail to achieve this, we have to blame ourselves, honestly. And all the effort and all the suffering will go back to square one. God forbid. We have to do something. That is why your community, you have to talk to people in your community. Don't be shy. Come out and speak. Let people know. Create the awareness. That's why I cannot stand anybody who come to my community and mention that I should not ask people to vote. How do you expect me to keep quiet when I know how to help people to vote? And you are telling me that asking people to drop their names and their numbers is a sin? You are joking. If you want me to help you, please do that. I have voted for people. I have the evidence. If you want me to show you, inbox me. I'll forward the details of other people that have voted for you. But I'm not going to send you their names. I will only send you the receipts to confirm to you, to show to you that I have voted for people. So I have some email, my personal email, that I can use to do the voting. They are not much. So first come, first serve, that's what I'm doing. As long as I still have some emails with me, once I result that, I will not help you with mine anymore. If you want, then you have to provide your email and your password. So I'm not asking you for phone. I'm not asking you for data. It is free. No, you are not paying me anything. I just want to make sure that we vote massively. As PM targeted 20 million, I want to give him 40 million. If it is my reach, today, PM will have 40 million voters. So nobody will shut me down. I will keep on speaking until this referendum is done. Okay? Depending on the date that PM mapped out. So we all need to do this and get ourselves out from this mess. If you don't know what is going on in Nigeria, I am here to highlight some of the news so you understand the need and why you have no choice than to seek for freedom. Oh yeah, then the behavior shop, if you are not alive, your business is nothing. As those who are not living today, there was a time they have their businesses and they have all the cars, all everything you can think of. As once the person buy, everything comes to an end. That is why we that are living need to utilize the opportunity to make sure that our children and everybody is fine. What you are going through today, you don't need to pass this to your children. It is abomination. So we have to be man enough to do the needful. You don't just watch other people to silence you and get you out of your shed and buy you for nothing. It doesn't make sense. What makes you a human being is to prevent people who are willing to buy you on time. Do not wait until they start knocking at your door. And the way to get them out from your side is this voting. Once you vote, you are having your freedom. God so kind, we have people who are willing, who knows what it takes to block this nonsense that they are pushing towards our people. There's an information coming out that I saw that northern politicians, I think northern governors, they are now pushing agenda of blocking food from other parts of the country, in knowing fully well that the economy is bad, and of all time to they choose this period to prevent food from going to other places. Once they started noticing this kind of nonsense in their mind, that means the agenda is real. So we don't need to wait until they hit us badly. We have to do the needful. As you are coming, please hit like button, so others will join us as in the live stream. We have no time to waste. These people who have claimed that the Nigerian belongs to them, they are pushing seriously to get everything quicker. And we have to push also to make sure that they will not come to us. Mazamagano have preached and preached and preached, and he told us a lot of things that time will come when we be experiencing what we're experiencing now. It was like a joke, and we are not living it. It is happening before our eyes. So none of us, if you have followed Master kind of for the past years, you understand that most of the things that is happening now he have said it multiple times, and that is why some of us are really careful with what is happening. It is interesting to know that even in Nigeria today, Fulanis and Hausas are not even in good time. That is why last year, I think that was early this week, a letter pumped out that a Fulani, a Hausa woman wrote an open letter addressing people. I think I posted something like that on my page, on my Facebook, on my YouTube here. So you can go and watch the video later. But what I'm trying to say is nobody is finding it easy. Nobody is finding it easy. Hear what this Fulani man is saying here, because they always want to threaten you with the food. They always want to threaten you with the food. They know that if that food is really a weapon if they want to use, why are they not throwing Ogbonigwe? They use Ogbonigwe and they keep on pushing and buying people using banditry. Why don't they use that hunger? They think that is the alpha and the omega. I don't believe in that. Our people will still have farmers in our land. Our land are fertile. Even if you don't have farmers, you can still cultivate on your own and feed yourself and feed your family. That hunger and threatening of food and all those things need to be stopped, because we cannot just rely on the food and sell our birthright. I was told also that the governor of Enugu State is pushing to have ranches or whatever they call that in Enugu State for Fulanis. PM have also responded to that and said that that kind of thing is not going to stand. That's why I love PM so much, because he always proactive in what he does. He don't wait until people take him, surprise. Once he notices that the move you're making is not going to help, he will start on time and blocking that nonsense and make sure that it will not come. Hear what this man said before we continue. Let me get it up. Okay, the video is hanging. Let me see why, if I can get it up. Please, as you are joining in, please endeavor to like the video. Just click the like button. It is very, very important. I know this is weekend. Most people don't have time to join us on this live broadcast, I know, but we have to do this because it concerns us. We need to do it. We don't have to pretend that all is well when nothing is going fine. So we don't need to pretend about it. The video is giving me headache, but I
to pack or buy foodstuffs from our villagers in bulk should be halted. Trucks who come to pack or buy foodstuffs from our villagers in bulk should be halted for now. We have stopped mass purchase from our local market in all our local government from now henceforth until further notice. Anybody found doing that, we have given security agencies go ahead to confiscate those trucks and share the food to the people. Thank you.
So what this man is talking here is that they are now pushing people from buying food stuff in bulk in the local government, in their villages and all that. This is the same people who push their youth in the name of banditry to your own region to destroy the little farm that we people have. And after that, you manage to use your money to patronize them so that they can use that money to buy more gravel as usual. And they are not telling you that they will stop you from buying food in bulk. Not that they will maybe they will increase the price of the food item, but the target is to limit what you feed on, so that by the time they tell you to do this for us, longer you have to bow. if you have people back there in Nigeria or in Biafra land, please always advise them to look a way to have their own farm. At least cultivating yam and cassava shouldn't be a problem if you grow up in village. It doesn't take much to do. It doesn't take much. Vegetable, our land is highly fertile. So if you have family back home, do not encourage them to rely on buying food item in bulk in market and all that, because once this blockade starts, it will hit so heavy on our people. But if you work and prevent it on time, you are not going to experience it. So they want to use that weapon of food, like they conquered the Biafran War. The first Biafran War, they defeated Biafrans not because of the way they use catapult and gravel. No, it's because of this food of a thing, and we need to work on it, for ourselves. This is not about what the Biafra government in exile can give you. It's about you who have people back there in Nigeria, or even you who is watching from homeland. You need to stand up and do some farming for yourself and your family. It is very important. Don't give up on this. And some of us who still think that we cannot do anything without their food, it's a lie. Fulani don't feed Cameroonian people. They don't feed Ghanaians. So why do we think that without them we are nothing? Well, we are gone. It's not true. In fact, without us they are no more, because for them to buy the equipment, how much food are they going to sell to purchase the type of catapult they're using to buy people anyhow? You think that those catapults are cheap? No, they are not. These are expensive catapults, very very expensive, and they're using it to buy our people for just like that. You understand? So it doesn't help. It doesn't. To me, we have to do what we can to prevent it. Just like what the Biafran Liberation Army are doing. Okay, although some of our people who are there, who are in DOS, still don't believe in Biafran government in exile. They don't believe in what the PM and the government are doing. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is what people said. Like within 1 week, 2 million people have voted. That is a very good welcome, Biafran, the land of honey. Yes, you are right, my dear. Thank you. Donatus, I see you. My brother, remain blessed. Remain blessed. I don't understand what it means. Remain blessed. You for your effort. Okay, maybe you want to say thank you for your effort to see that the coming of Biafra is success. Thank you so much. I understand what you're trying to say. Thank you. I thank you so much also for your effort as well. We are all together in this. We are all together in this. Okay. This is one of the celebrity who were, hardcore, obedient hardcore. His name is Uchemba William. He's an actor. William Uchemba cried out. This is from I'm playing it from Easter blog Nigeria or whatever they call the names. This platform that would lie about PM, that PM was celebrating Spy Goes Go. So when PM responded to them, they quickly dropped the video. So if you want to do propaganda or do saga, you have to wear your belt very very well and know who you are facing the saga during this saga with. So this guy have something to say. These are people who believe that Nigeria will somehow one day become the best country in the world, and challenging world powers and all that. Look at what he's saying here. He's not crying about the economy and all that. Okay, Donatus said, how can I get the voting link? Okay, how can I get a voting link permanent so I can be sending the link to all people asking me for link? Okay, that is a good thing to hear. The voting link, the one I have in my profile is working perfectly. Each time I copied it, it's always give me what I want. And you know how to log in and log out, right? I mean, the email, if you have voted before, for you to see for you the link to look as if you are to fill in your information again, you have to sign out the email that you have used already, remove it from the browser, and add a new one. Now I am not. Let me see if I can, because anything voting count me in. That's what I'm. That's in fact that is the reason why I am often online these days. I just want to make sure that as they are fighting the voting for those people who call themselves DOS and who say they are disciplined. When they say they are disciplined, it makes me laugh. You are disciplined, but your your target is to fight people who are asking for freedom. And you were one of them. You were telling people that you want freedom and all that. Anyway, that's by the way. Let me get the link and post it in the chat so that you will get it. Because I don't know if you people know how to check community posts. I have this link in my. I have it here. Let me go down. Let me go down. Let me go down. I think somewhere here. Now I have it. Okay. This is a link for general ballots. Okay. I got this link from PM the day he posted it. Then I saved it very well, and it has been of help, because anytime I want to vote for anybody, this is the link that I use. Let me go to my. Let me post it in this chat so that some of you who have not voted, you don't need to. It's even a thing of joy to vote. Have you tried? Have you voted before? Have you voted for that? Have you cast your vote to see the joy? I don't know if it's only me. Each time I see the after voting, when they say that thank you, you have responded or something like that. That last message, that message gives me joy. Each time I see it, I feel so happy. This. Please, guys, just hold on. Let me get this link because it's very important. Very important. So that these are brother donatives. You can use it and you also can share it to people who want to vote. Okay. I want, as we got 2 million plus this week, let it multiply by next week. That should be their target now. Let it multiply, so that by the end of May, according to what PM said, we are already celebrating. Yes, we'll be celebrating. I don't want you to. Uh, okay. Please, guys, accept percent. Let me use my other device to share it. I will share it. I'm trying to log in the live stream on another phone so that. Okay, I think I'm here. What is it saying? Okay. Test keep your account. That's it. Okay, this is the link. This is the link here. Let me pin it. Okay, Mr. Donatus, this is the link. You follow this link, you can cast the vote. You can cast your vote very, very easy. Okay, I think that one I have done that. Let me go back to business of the day. So let's hear what this author. Let's hear him. So done.
Sells goods, reluctant of selling. Some of them, they don't even want to sell. They are sad. They are scared to sell. Things don't spoil. Oh. Listen, this economy is not sustainable. I have never seen somebody that sells goods, reluctant of selling. Some of them, they don't even want to sell. They are sad. They are scared to sell. Because somebody can sell a goods to you now with the rate of 1,002. As he's collecting money, it has entered 1,005. He has lost his money. Contractors that did BOQ, bill of quantity, they gave quotes when 700 for $1, $700. Right now, time to do project don't reach. Dollar is now 1.5. So there is a lot of court case. There is a wahala is everywhere because contractor cannot deliver again.
So everybody is shouting and crying about the economy.
Where will he get the money?
Let me pause you because you are one of the
bag of cement now is 8,000.
Yes, bag of cement is 8,000.
Find love, find love.
Yes.
People have found love.
It is very clear. Bag of cement is 8,000. Yes, everything is, in a different level. The price of good is not here. People are complaining and crying about it, but he is one of the problem as well. That is why I pick up this video, because he himself is an Igbo man. Tell him now that Nigerian cannot, survive. Things are not going to be okay. Not because you hate Nigeria, but because Nigerian is wired to be like that. So if you don't like the way Nigeria is, then you have to go elsewhere. And the only way you can go is to get your Biafra, join Biafra, and have your own country. Without it, you are wasting your time. That you are an actor or actress cannot help you to, from this. Femi Adesina said that I think he was media aim to Buhari. He said that if Buhari go, that Nigerians will miss him. I think that it's not even up to 6 months of Tinubu. They are not missing Buhari. Everybody is missing him. You may not believe it, but it's true. It's true. Everybody is missing him. Let's hear what this man have to say. I think he's a Yoruba man. So let's hear, because the reason why I'm bringing all those things for you to see the reason why you need to vote, and when people are telling you that things is not going to get better, so it's not as if it's from my mouth or mouth of anybody that are asking for different lifestyle or freedom, you cannot hear it from even non-Igbos. They are now telling you that Nigeria can never ever work. Let's hear this young one.
With my little age, I can be the president of this country, and I will tell you I'm not aware of what is going on. Then it means I am not supposed to be there in the first place. If you're in a place where your impact is not felt, then your presence was never needed. I am very, very pained. My grandmother in the village cannot go to farm all alone because of insecurity. So are you not telling me that a nation of over 200 million people cannot fight insecurity? We can, but some people are actually politicized this thing. And that is why even the rice farmers cannot go to the farm now to say they want to produce rice, because somebody will be there to kill them. Now, the basis for kidnappers now in this country, once they come.
This is the hypocrisy that I don't like. That he said his grandmother cannot go to farmland anymore. That she is scared of people that will buy her. That people who cultivate rice cannot even go to farm anymore, because on getting there, some people will be there already to buy them. This somebody doesn't mean that person don't have name. Can anybody tell me what is the name of those people that he's talking about? The name of those people who are going to buy the farmers. Do you remember their names? Oh, your guess is as good as mine. Fulanis. They are there. And none of them have the courage. If you will play different videos where people are complaining, insecurity. Insecurity is a word in dictionary. But who is bringing insecurity physically? Who does that person have name? Yes, he does. His name is not insecurity. Can you have the courage to mention his name? No, you don't. You don't have the courage. You don't have the balls to do that, right? So let's continue. When people call names, they will come after the person. And this is a country that people are, defending. Like one of the Idu daughter, her name is Faith Ogala, is now congratulating Super Ego. These are people that Master McCann also recommended and said, support, go and watch them, go and listen to them, because Master McCann gave everybody, courage to voice out. And some of them jumped out because they want their name to be heard. That's all. Can you say hi to me? Name of football player for these people. So this is what Information Prime Minister Sonia Akpara will have to say about Faith Ogara. I'm coming back to the video that I was playing. Just hold on, because what that man said is what linked me to what Faith Ogara did. Okay, I will connect it. I will still go back to it, and I just want to connect the two. Now, Sonia Akpara said, the Information Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. Are these the people Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our supreme leader, recommended that all Biafrans should listen to? Anyways, when you lack sensible children, you can accept deaf and dumb, okay, to answer your name. Oh, Mazen Simon Ekpa finish all the career freedom fighters and those that were, let me open it properly. Okay, because there are some messages missing. Here is it. Let me see. Okay, and some of them have finished all the career freedom fighters, and those that were born for Biafran are here, and those that were born for Biafran are here in the Biafran government. So, is it coincidence that immediately after the kidnapping of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, a new face, a new people joined PM to be where we are today? Nobody is taking salary. Nobody is dragging money. In fact, in Biafran government, people are scared of even ask that they want to know money, they want to see money, no. Everybody unanimously pushing the same effort in one direction, making sure that money is not what anybody is here for. And you see them every now and then, they will tell you that I'm working, I'm going to work, meaning that they are not there to earn money. That is what is called freedom. Now, Faith Ogara, I this is what Faith Ogara posted. I am proud of Super Ego. Yeah, Nigeria. He put green, white, green, white, and she dressed. She put on top white and the green trousers. Remember, this lady was carrying Biafra flag, doing live broadcast on her Facebook and everything. Then all of a sudden, she joined Nsima. They would become Idu. So she was even pushing for noodles, noodles freedom fighter or whatever that she called it, trying to make mockery of herself. This mama, she don't respect herself. She have done all manner of nonsense attack against PM. Remember, she was very, very quiet, and she was trying to pretend that she's this and she's that, but she's not. Okay, now let's go to this video. After this video, I want to say something about this Faith Ogara, because some of us are mistaking what a freedom fighter is. I have something to say, but let's complete this video first. Let's complete this video. Where is the video again? Have we disappeared? Okay, let me go back. Okay, I think the video have disappeared. Let me look for it again. Faith Ogara. Okay, let's continue with the video. I think here is it.
Of this country, and I will tell you, I'm not aware. With my little age, I can be the president of this country, and I will tell you, I'm not aware of what is going on. Then it means I am not supposed to be there in the first place. If you're in a place where your impact is not felt, then your presence was never needed. I am very, very pained. My grandmother in the village cannot go to farm all alone because of insecurity. So are you not telling me that a nation of over 200 million people cannot fight insecurity? We can, but some people have actually politicized this thing. And that is why even the rice farmers cannot go to the farm now to say they want to produce rice, because somebody will be there to kill them. Now, the basis for kidnappers now in this country, once they catch you, you are paying 100 million. You and I, if I ask you now, God forbid, if they pick any of your family member, God forbid, can you afford 100 million naira? Is it not when you even have the 100 million that you think of 100 million? I don't have 100,000 naira in my account. So God forbid they pick any of my family member and asking me for 200,000. Where will I get it from? And these people believe that there is no way, you will source out this money. And can I shock you, sir? None of these kidnappers have ever been arrested. Each time you arrest these kidnappers, they are always looking wretched. If I am worth 10 million, if I am a million as I am, from my dresses, you will see 10 million. You will see sign of 10 million. So someone who are collecting 100 million, about 5 times 100 million. You see the kind of shoe he's putting on, you will know that someone is actually sponsoring people. Someone somewhere is negotiating on their behalf, collecting the ransom on their behalf, and the government of the day is aware. They can't claim not to be aware. It is not possible because they see all Nigerians, they see all the masses, the presidency see all the masses as noisemakers. And this was exactly the same thing Buhari did. He believed we are all noisemakers. And can I shock you? If we decide to organize a small protest now, they will send firearms against us, they will kill us, and nothing will happen. That is why I said solution. There is no solution. So I am talking to you now because God has said I should talk. I am talking to you now because I have hope in God. So God has been the one sustaining us. But talking about solution, honestly, sir, I can tell you that there is no solution. These people doesn't feel anything for us. So this one I am talking now. If they have the power to shut, if they catch me, what are we saying? There is no solution anywhere. If we organize ourselves now that we are going to National Assembly, the next thing you will see soldiers shooting at us. Have no conscience.
So another one, Nigeria is doomed.
It is gone. It is gone. It is irreparable. I am telling you, because Buhari came and he laid out precedence. We know what happened during the election. By the grace of God, I am not very educated, but from the way I talk, you will know I am not stupid either. I am neither educated nor stupid, so I am just in the middle. So somebody will not call me an illiterate, and I will simply not call myself a well-educated fellow. So from the way I talk, you will know that I actually know what I'm saying. The country is gone because the next person that will come, we say Buhari did it, you people did not talk, and that's right. Tinubu also did it, we did not talk, and that is also right. Let the court tell Tinubu to do things like this. Now Tinubu will tell the court that he is the court himself. So tell me, in a place where rule of law is not in existence, do you think we can do anything? The country is gone, Nibaba. Let's not deceive ourselves. See, you are surviving not because the country wants you to survive. You are surviving because God has said you should survive. Your children are eating because how much are you even earning now? Your salary cannot even take care of yourself, let alone your family. If you want to buy wears, your salary cannot cater for your wardrobe alone. The country is gone, like it is gone. So we are talking because we feel okay, there is still that God factor. You understand now? We are talking, I am talking this way, I am being passionate about the whole thing because I still believe in that God factor, being a Christian. So apart from the God factor, forget it. Nigeria is long gone. Right from when Buhari came in, it is gone. You know, a situation where we tell you nothing, we go do anything and nothing will happen. Nigeria is gone, like it's gone. It's gone.
Yamutu Nigeria.
It's gone.
Oh my goodness. I saw a comment, but I decided to allow the video to complete before I respond to you. Charles Akindele, how are you today? Thank you for coming in actually. Yes, you said, when will you guys stop all this dream of Biafra? Yeah, it's a dream that every dream have his own message, and the dream is always positive when you know the content of your dream. And the voice that you just heard now is a Yoruba guy. He's not an Igbo. Just a Yoruba person like you. And you cannot pretend that what this guy said now is not true. Can you be from heart of heart? Can you say, I am against Igbo? I am not against Igbo people. No, I'm not saying you are against Igbo people, okay? Because your comment here, you said, when are you people going to stop this dream of Biafra? And I'm responding to that comment. Whether you're against Igbo or you're in support of Igbo, is your choice. So that you're against Igbo does not make you a bad person. Also, okay? So we must not agree on one thing, on everything. So that's your choice. You can say what you want. That's you. But what I'm asking you, what this your brother, a fellow Yoruba person is saying here now, in this video that I just played, is he true or not? What he said, do you think he's lying? Is this guy not lying? That farmers cannot go to farm, they can't, nobody can go to farm freely without looking back. You yourself, are you telling me that can you travel from Ogun State, maybe late hour? Can you drive maybe night bus and you are the driver moving from Ogun State to let's say Benue? Night bus. Can you do you think you have the courage to do that? So let's not pretend that do you really think that asking for Biafra means that we hate Nigerians or hate other tribe? That is not what it means. It means freedom for all. No, I'm not. I didn't get. I'm not getting you wrong, man. Are you not the one that typed? You see what you post here, and you said, when are you guys going to stop? Let me read your comment again so that I will not put you wrong. You said, I live in Texas. Okay, it's okay. You're living in a country that knows what the rule of law means. So you should know better. When will you guys stop all this dream of Biafra? So what you put there is not a Yoruba language now. It's English language that everybody can understand. Very, very simple. You were like trying to say that Biafran is a dream that's not achievable. That's what we were trying to say. So let's not paint it. But the question here is the way things is now. Forget about Tinubu. Forget about that Tinubu is a Yoruba person. Forget about IPOB and all this nonsense they're talking. The question is, do you really think that Nigeria is the way is to you? Is this something that you are happy to see? The way Nigeria, the way it's going now, do you think, you said Ojukwu tried and it did not work? And so what? And so what? What we are saying now that, okay, Obasanjo tried to fix Nigeria. Do you know that Obasanjo created what is called Vision 2020? Are you aware of that? Obasanjo created Vision 2020. That was in 2009 when the Nigerians started practicing this democracy of 13 and making sure that the military regime ends and all that. So because Obasanjo failed to give Nigeria good governance, that means presidency should fold. That's what I'm trying to say. That Ojukwu tried and failed does not mean you should not ask for freedom. Freedom doesn't have, the freedom is not roving around Ojukwu's family, no. A pregnant woman, a woman who is pregnant and in 8 months, 9 months, the baby will start agitating. Whether you are ready to deliver or not, the baby will want to come out. That is nature. So the whole thing is this. Please stop this and join the fundraising. Okay, Freeman, you are here. Fundraising is on. Okay, no problem. Thank you for informing me. Thank you for reminding me that. Thank you so much. So my brother, you need to understand the reason why people are asking for freedom. Okay, you need to understand it is not a tribal something. It's not a tribal issue at all. Okay, so it's not a tribal issue. This is all about freedom for everybody. It's about freedom for everybody. So let's not get it twisted. I hope you understand what it means. So it's not about Yoruba and Igbo or anything. What Igbo people are suffering in Nigeria today, Yorubas are suffering it also. Unless you are pretending out of tribal sentiment. But if you tell yourself the truth, like what I said yesterday, Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. You cannot blame Tinubu now that things is not going fine, because whoever that become president, the same thing will not go fine. So it's not about attacking the president, it should be attacking the system. So the system is not working. That's the obvious. Your name is Charles. You are a Christian. Do you think you can wake up in the morning in the Sokoto state and carry your Bible to do morning call? Can you pray or preach in the streets of Sokoto today? They will cut off your head as a Christian. So is that the country that they want? The ideology is there in the north, which is not in the west. The ideology you have in the west is not in the north. The same to east. So you cannot pretend that no matter how conference meeting you hold and trying to make it work, it's not going to work. Okay? No, people should not call Charles a fool. He said his mind. We have to learn this, that we have to get used to people's opinion. He said that this Biafra, maybe he don't know what Biafra, you don't know the pains of Biafrans. You don't know what Biafrans are going through. So, because you're on the other side of the story. So, I don't blame you for that. But what I'm saying is, even in your own land, in Yoruba land, you also need the help. And if you pretend that you don't need help, that Nigeria is going to work and everything is going to be fine, then that means you really don't know what the problem is. And I encourage you to try your best and go deep and do some research and find out what is happening and why during the Buhari's regime no urban in Lagos was buying. Why is it that in these 3 months of Tinubu they are not buying urbans in Lagos? Because their ideology in the north is that whoever that become president of the country today, they will somehow, somewhere, they will be doing one or two things to destabilize the government of that person. That's one of the ideology. To even take your land in Yoruba land, they make sure they will subdue you is one of the ideology. So as you as a Christian, for you to even have a say is one of the ideology, which you cannot deny. Do you think that putting Tinubu as a Muslim and the vice a Muslim is one of the ideology? It will be coming step by step, until you get your neck. So when you are waiting, if you are waiting for it to hang you on your neck, that means you already want to struggle very, very well. Okay. So like our brother said that they are doing the fundraising is on. We are going to continue probably later tonight or tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. Enjoy your. Let's go to fundraising. Let's join our PM and see what is going on there. If you have any amount, anything that you can offer, please go and donate. As you are donating, make sure you've cast your vote. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful evening. Charles, I'm still happy to see you. Okay. I would like to hear from you again, because this call for freedom is not only for Igbos, it's not only for anybody, but for all. And you see what, okay, you say control your people calling someone a fool, bro. Don't worry, just focus on what they're saying, okay? I have told them they should stop calling fools and insulting words. It doesn't make any sense. If you are asking for freedom, you don't need to bash on other people as well. Allow him to say his opinion. He's a human being like us, so we don't need to. If you don't like people calling you also that fraud and honest, you don't need to call other people as well. So I cannot be angry to anybody who question my ideology. I will not be angry with you. That's your opinion. But my own, I stand on my ground. I know what I'm fighting for. Thank you guys, and see you on my next broadcast. Have a wonderful day.